Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 pillows for sleepings of 2021. The list starts from ComfyLife Orthopedic Knee Pillow for sciatica relief, back pain, leg pain, pregnancy, hip. It's premium high-density memory foam. Made with 100% premium quality durable cut memory foam to provide long-lasting comfort for hours, superior to other pillows, it won't go flat over time. Its breathable easy clean cover, breathable zippered cover ensures the pillow does not get warm, and is machine washable for easy cleaning. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Urban Infant Pipsqueak Small Tiny Mini Pillow with Name Tag. It's great for kids and adults. Originally designed as a compact toddler pillow for our Urban Infant Tot Cot Nap Mat, this pillow works nicely for daycare or preschool. Dozens of adult uses ranging from added back or lumbar support, between knees while sleeping, propping up foot or arm, etc. It's great for traveling. Compact design tucks in purse or carry-on for added neck head support during car or air travel. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Digital decor set of 2 premium gold hotel pillows for sleeping, down. It's high thread count, pillows for sleeping with a T200 thread count for coolness and breathability. It's every kind of sleeper, hotel and bed pillows, perfect for all back, stomach and side sleepers out there. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow, 2-pack, luxury plush gel pillow dust. It's no-shift construction. With their no-shift construction, our pillows are a fantastic place to rest your head. They're stylish, luxurious, and incredibly comfortable. You'll fall asleep fast and stay asleep.